They've heard about you.
Yeah.
Can you hold this? Hold this. It's over here.
Right from the start, happiness flew into someone's heart. Now somebody loves you each hour of the day. When you're around here or when you're away, somebody loves you, sweetheart, can't you see? And that somebody is me, oh lady. And that somebody's me.
Okay, I guess I'll take you guys with me. Let's go.
We have a rose from your wife. She presented you with this lovely singing Valentine for Valentine's Day. So this is this one.
No, that's him.
The ugly
Oh,
one.
I thought you said the one with the. This is a.
They said no.
They said the one with the beard. A token of our appreciation
Thanks.
and.
Thank you much.
We have 2 more songs for you.
Oh my God.